Hello everyone. Welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 12th. We have here 6 extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic, so total of 6 extra Sudokus. And the first one is a Sudoku with 1 star, and this will be number 14. It's not the 1. 14. 1 5 14. Let me do this again. 1 5 14. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so I have an indication of the difficulty level. We have here 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 3 is 11, 12 plus 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 4 is 23, 24 plus 3 exactly, total of 27 printed numbers, digits. So let's get started. Let me see which number to use. How about How about the number 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last column. 7 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see lucky 7. Yes, digit number 1. And now, let me see. How about the number? The number. We have an 8 in this row, the third row, an 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. I need to wait for more digits. How about 4 in this row? 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 4 in one of these two boxes. Remember that? Because in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. Well, we have a 4 in one of these 2 boxes. So in this row, there cannot be a 4 anymore. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number? Let me see. Interesting. 3. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 3 in the 3rd column, 3 in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the 3rd row, 3 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the 2nd row, so in the 3rd row. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the 3rd column, 2 in the 2nd column, so in the 1st column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here also a 2, no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 3. Alright. How about the number? We have here 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then 2 Two numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One number left in the third row for the number 9. One number left in this big square for the number 5. And then one number left in this column for the number 9. Then two numbers left in this column for the numbers 5 and 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then one number left in the second column for the number 6. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 6 should be here. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 5. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 9 goes there. Then how about these three numbers in this big square? One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. One box left for the 1 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 5. Then two numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Two numbers left in the in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. So, see you later. Bye-bye for now.